3, 2, 1, Lego.
Okay, David, you will need to move the...
I'm done.
Sure, go ahead.
Good job, guys. That one's a win for me for holding up the airplane unit. Okay, get ready for your next mission. Okay, you grab the robot and take off the experiment. Nope.
Tree branch.
Get the tree branch set up, sir. On the programs.
Go. Here.
Oh, that was close.
It's fine. It's fine. You're good. You put that on. You put that on. You're good to go. Okay.
Oh, 6 seconds to spare. Oh, oops.
Doing great, guys.
Let's get this on.
This goes in the middle. Sarah, can you help?
Up or down? Down. Oh.
Just tiny bit up.
Probably too high. I'm gonna go. Yep. There you go. Keep going.
Go. Oh, wait, don't go. Now go. Don't go.
Two, 1.